Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you today?
I have an appointment.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Emily Parker.
Thank you, Emily. Let me check the system.
Of course. Take your time.
All right. Yes, I see your appointment here.
Great.
You're scheduled for 10:30 a.m., right?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. You are a little early.
I like being early. It helps me stay calm.
That's a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you have any ID with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me scan it.
No problem.
All right. Your check-in is complete.
Nice.
Please have a seat in the waiting area.
Sure. Where is it?
Just to your right.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it okay if I use the Wi-Fi?
Absolutely.
What's the password?
It's welcome123.
Easy.
Yes, we keep it simple.
I appreciate that.
Do you need water or anything else?
Water would be great.
Sure, I will bring you a cup.
Thank you so much.
Here you go.
That's very kind of you.
No problem at all.
How long will I need to wait?
Maybe 10 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yes, today is not very busy.
Good to know.
Are you here for a meeting or an interview?
For a meeting,
Got it.
do I need to fill out any forms?
Just one short form.
Okay, I can fill it now.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You can use the pen on the counter.
Great, thanks. This form is simple.
Yes, we changed it recently.
Good idea.
Let me know when you're done.
I'm done.
Perfect. May I take it?
Sure. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will upload this to your file.
Sounds good.
Are you comfortable waiting?
Yes, I'm fine.
All right.
Do you work here full time?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy helping people.
That's nice.
Thank you.
How long have you worked here?
Almost 3 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, it feels like home.
That's great.
What do you do, Emily?
I'm a graphic designer.
That's cool.
Thank you.
Do you work remotely?
Yes, mostly.
Lucky you.
Sometimes.
I understand.
Can I ask another question?
Of course.
Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, right down that hallway.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be right back.
Take your time.
Returns. I'm back.
Welcome back.
Has my meeting started?
Not yet.
Okay.
It should begin in about 5 minutes.
Good to know.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
That's normal.
Thanks.
You'll do great.
I hope so.
Just stay confident.
I'll try.
Do you want some mint candy?
Sure, why not?
Here you go.
Thank you.
It helps people relax.
It's sweet.
Yes, it is.
So, do many people come here every day?
Yes, a lot.
Busy place.
Definitely.
Does everything run smoothly?
Most of the time.
That's impressive.
We try our best.
I can tell.
Thank you.
You're very welcoming.
I appreciate that.
It makes waiting easier.
I'm glad to hear that.
What time is it now?
It's 10:25 a.m.
Oh, wow, almost time.
Yes, your meeting will start soon.
Should I go in?
Not yet. They will call your name.
All right.
Just relax for now.
I'm trying.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, look,
Yes?
they just sent a message.
What does it say?
They're ready for you.
Really?
Yes,
Okay, I'm excited.
you should be.
Which room should I go to?
Room 204, down the hall.
Got it.
Just follow the signs.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
You've been very helpful.
Anytime.
Wish me luck.
Good luck, Emily.
Thank you.
You're going to do amazing.
I hope so.
Have a great meeting.
Thanks. I'll see you later.